Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Symphony AI creative feature. Now TikTok Symphony is an AI powered creative suite designed to help businesses and creators automate everything from the brainstorming to full video production. Now to use you can find this Symphony assistant or the chat in a chatbot. You can find Symphony assistant in a chatbot style virtual assistant located in the TikTok Creative Center. All you have to do is go ahead and tap and ask what is trending on TikTok today to see viral concept, audio, and example videos. Or even generate scripts. Provide your brand name and product benefits to receive a TikTok native script optimized for engagement. Or you can use it to research top performing ads in your specific industry. And also you can use it for video generations by text to video option or from image to video, from which you can upload a static product photo and a motion prompt and to animate it into a video ad. Also, you can use digital avatars or AI dubbing and translations to reach new viewers and also new audience. And that is how you can use it. Now to access this feature, all you have to do is go ahead and open yourself a TikTok business account. And once you have TikTok business account and fulfill the criteria for business account, you should be able to access this from your laptop or your desktop and go to Symphony Creative Studio and you should be able to use it from there. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.